Some challenges I faced while going through the college process were I didn't really know what I was doing, and I was just answering these questions, writing these essays, but didn't know if it was what the colleges were looking for. Uprooted Academy is basically like a virtual counselor where I found help that I wasn't getting from my counselors at school. Having Uprooted Academy to help me with my essays and what I should write about and what they're looking for really helped a lot. Some resources on Uprooted Academy that have helped me are the virtual counselor and the AI who is there to answer questions right when I need them. Also the wellness tab where I can get help when I'm stressing out and when I don't know what to do. It always being there is really helpful. Because of Uprooted Academy, I have gotten so many acceptances from the schools that I have really wanted to go to. In the future, I hope to be a medical sonographer or an ultrasound tech. I hope to get a bachelor's in science and public health.
Hi, I'm Tiffany, the founder of Uprooted Academy. I grew up 1 mile from Yale University. Seeing the students inspired me. And at age 6, I determined I would be the first in my family to go to college, in a top school like Yale. I studied hard, I took top courses, I got a near perfect score on my SAT. However, I only applied to 1 college. I only met with my college counselor twice. That college that I applied to, it wasn't Yale, even though I had the grades to be competitive. The entire process was overwhelming and confusing. I had my first anxiety attack during that period. And according to data, many of you did too. Nationally, high school students on average spend 45 minutes with a college counselor. Schools cannot close the college and career gap. They don't have capacity. Community centers were built to fill in this gap, but high schoolers, they're being left out. The system is broken, and broken systems, they can break students. After college, I became a licensed therapist. I worked in schools for over a decade, and funny enough, I was invited to be an application reader at Yale. I realized when students are designing their dreams, there needs to be a new solution, a holistic one. Introducing Uprooted Academy. It's like the Boys and Girls Club, meet Sims. We use generative AI to give students a holistic guidance counselor. It's a dog named Rudy. And Rudy is trained in all things college, careers, and wellness. When students are lost on what to do, they can utilize their personalized roadmap to get them back on track. Our students complete modules around college, career, and financial literacy designed by experts in the field. We connect them with admissions counselors, and they can network with companies and gain mentorship from employees. I was alone and anxious on this journey. Uprooted ensures that students have the connections that they need. And when it becomes too much, Rudy guides them to our wellness lounge. And in there, they can do yoga, breath work, and mindfulness. And it's transforming lives. We've reached 10,000 students to date. Students, on average, spend around 2 hours per month in our platform, contributing to around 45 hours before high school graduation. And our students are reporting lower levels of anxiety. And now they're thriving at Ivy Leagues, HBCUs, and other dream colleges. My team and I are working with the Stanford D School and School of Education to build a tool I needed And now we're raising $500,000 to finish building our virtual community center, the very first of its kind. We aim to upgrade our AI, offer skill-based courses, and connect students to early internships. I realized it wasn't a lack of my intellect that kept me out of Yale. It was a lack of support, because access without support is not opportunity. Thank you.